Born Free 2000, what year will this be? 25? Born Free 2025. Here we go. Here's Casey selling. Alright, we got ourselves 1950s Triumph 3-unit rigid frame. Alright, did some cleaning up. Gonna tab some of this stuff, delug. Cut off the tank mounts. Steering stops. And we're going to grind this bad boy down. And boom, that's gonna help it as we start grinding. All right, here we go. Here's some prep. Check this out. Oh yeah. Aluminum barrel. 59. Yeah, that's right. Got some tappets to inspect. Cams. Gotta weld that bad boy up, grind her down. Cut those and these. Time to break out the carbide. Alright, the damage has begun. Sorry guys. Coming off next. After many hours and days of cutting, grinding, and smoothing everything out, we are looking at pretty decent situations where holes were filled and brackets were cut. Here's the front. pretty happy with that. And here's the rear. Removed those brackets. Still got to go down a little farther. Got to re-weld and probably just fill it.